Stripped hinge screw holes usually mean the screw no longer bites into wood and the door will sag unless repaired quickly. Start by removing the loose screw and examining the hole for torn or crushed fibers. For most interior doors, a simple wooden repair is fast and reliable. Take one or more toothpicks or small wooden scraps, coat them lightly with wood glue, press them into the stripped hole so the fibers are compacted, and snap or trim the excess flush with the surface. Let the glue cure fully, which typically takes at least 20 minutes for quick-set glues and up to 24 hours for regular wood glue before you attempt to drive the screw back. When reinstalling, use the original screw if it is undamaged, or replace it with a slightly longer or thicker screw of the same thread type to engage fresh wood. Drive the screw slowly by hand at first to ensure it finds the new material and stops before you strip the repair again. For larger or repeated failures, consider drilling the hole out and installing a wooden dowel glued in place, then reboring a pilot hole to the correct screw size for a more durable repair. Common mistakes include stuffing the hole with too much unglued material which will compress and fail, so always use glue and compact the filler firmly. Another issue is over-tightening the screw right away, which strips the new repair. So start driving by hand and stop when the screw feels snug, then finish with a powered driver on low torque. A third concern is using the wrong filler like soft foam or non-rigid materials, which will not hold threads, so choose hardwood toothpicks, wooden matchsticks without the heads, or a proper dowel and use glue for structural grip. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives practical repair ideas like the hinge fix described here. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips and ask questions, and our listings help contractors find work by making it easy for homeowners to contact them.